The person I would like to describe who thoroughly enjoys cooking for others is my mother. My mother has always had a passion for cooking, and she takes great pleasure in preparing delicious meals for our family and friends. She has a diverse culinary repertoire and enjoys experimenting with various cuisines and recipes. What she likes to cook varies depending on the occasion and the preferences of the people she is cooking for. On regular weekdays, she often prepares hearty and nutritious meals like homemade soups, stir-fries, or pasta dishes. On special occasions or when we have guests over, she loves to showcase her culinary skills by making more elaborate dishes such as lasagna, roast chicken with all the fixings, or even international cuisines like Thai curry or Mexican enchiladas. My mother cooks for our immediate family, which includes my father, my siblings, and me. She also extends her culinary talents to relatives and close friends, especially during holidays and gatherings. She often hosts dinner parties and gatherings at our home, where she can showcase her love for cooking and treat our guests to a wonderful dining experience. She enjoys cooking for several reasons. Firstly, it allows her to express her creativity and love through the food she prepares. She finds joy in selecting the finest ingredients, experimenting with flavors, and presenting dishes in an appealing manner. Secondly, it brings people together and creates a sense of togetherness. Sharing a meal that she has lovingly prepared fosters strong bonds and memorable moments with our family and friends. Lastly, it gives her a deep sense of satisfaction to see the smiles on our faces when we savor her delicious creations. Knowing that her cooking brings happiness to others is the ultimate reward for her. In summary, my mother is a dedicated cook who derives immense pleasure from preparing a wide range of dishes for our family and friends. Her passion for cooking is driven by her creativity, the joy of bringing people together, and the satisfaction of making others happy through her culinary talents. Her love for cooking has not only filled our home with delectable meals, but has also created cherished memories that we will treasure forever.